Hi everyone, and welcome to the Math Tablet. In this session we have a look at adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Now really, when we're talking about adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators, we change them to equivalent fractions with the same denominator, and then we add or subtract the numerators. So let's have a look at a few examples. Suppose we want to work out 9/10 minus 1/5. Okay, so the denominators there are different. So what we want to do here is to find what's called the lowest common denominator between the 10 and the 5, meaning the smallest number that both 10 and 5 will go into. Let's think. 10 goes into itself once and 5 goes into 10 twice. So really I can leave that first fraction as the 9/10, but with that 1/5, what I can do is to create an equivalent fraction here, times by 2, times by 2. So I've rewritten the 1/5 as 2/10 as my equivalent fraction. Then all I need to do is to subtract the numerators. And there we have one example. Let's have a look at another one. Okay, suppose I want to work out 4/5 plus 1/3. Again, notice the denominators are different. So what I'm going to do is to change both of these fractions so that they have the same denominator. Now, the lowest common denominator between the 5 and the 3, which means the smallest number that both 5 and 3 will go into. Your lowest common denominator here is 15. So let's see. They're both going to have a new denominator of 15. To go from the 5 to the 15, we times it by 3. So do the same thing with the numerator. 4 3s are 12. To go from the 3 to the 15, I multiply by 5. Do the same thing with the numerator. So now I've got 12/15 plus 5/15. Much easier now that they've got the same denominator of 15. Add the numerators together. 12 and 5 gives you 17. Now you can leave your answer as an improper fraction like so, 17/15. Or if you prefer, you can give your answer as a mixed numeral. 15 goes into 17 once with the remainder of 2. So as a mixed numeral, your answer is 1 and 2/15. Like I said, either one of those would be quite fine. And there you have adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. I hope you have enjoyed this session of the Math Tablet.